Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another video with Crypto Ninjas. My name is Dale, and today I want to show you the 8 legit cloud mining platforms for secure Bitcoin income. Now, Bitcoin continues to be one of the best performing assets in 2025, and I think it's still going to be in years ahead. So you want to get your hands on as many Bitcoins as you can. Now, you can do that in several ways. First, you can invest in Bitcoin by buying it on markets. For example, on Binance, Bybit, Coinbase Exchange, a bit, and whatever. Or the second way, you can invest in a hardware mining rigs where you invest in, PCs and hardwares in order to mine Bitcoins and become a miner. However, that's absolutely risky. For example, if the price fluctuates too much, then you have to bear the cost. Or the third way is to invest in cloud mining platforms, aka platforms where you just have rent the power of mining facilities and you can mine Bitcoin through them. Today, all it takes is a smartphone and a legit cloud mining site where you can rent computing power remotely, mine Bitcoin or even Dogecoin effortlessly, and earn daily passive crypto income without the headaches of traditional mining. So if you're looking for the best cloud mining platforms, this video is for you. I'm going to leave the link to this article down in the description and also in the comments so you can check it out fully. Now, first of all, why 2025 is the breakout year for Bitcoin cloud mining? There are three major forces driving this surge. First is the Bitcoin price surge. Higher prices create stronger demand for mining contracts and better ROI. As you can clearly see from Bitcoin price performance, it just broke the all-time high, and right now it's about to break the all-time high once again, and I think it is going to do that in the next couple of months, at least at the end of 2025. And so when Bitcoin breaks the all-time high, all miners are going to be in a profit. So you want to get into this mining game as fast as you can. The second major force is AI optimized mining. So, using artificial intelligence, it can dynamically adjust strategies to boost mining efficiency and reduce wasted energy. Now, this force recently came about because AI has been absolutely crazy in recent months. And the third major force is renewable energy mining. The top mining farms now operate on a sustainable hydropower, cutting both carbon emissions and operational costs. These factors have transformed cloud mining from a speculative gamble into a legal, transparent, and low risk way to earn passive income from crypto. So here we go. These are the 8 most trusted cloud mining platforms in 2025. And keep in mind, these orders 1, 2, and 3 doesn't necessarily mean one is better than the other. So the first one, we have MagiCrypto, the most trusted cloud mining platform for US investors. Now, MagiCrypto stands out in 2025 as one of the most reliable and transparent Bitcoin cloud mining platform. The platform is legally registered in Switzerland. It combines AI-powered hash rate allocation with renewable energy mining facilities across Europe and North America to deliver consistent high-yield returns. If you want to start, just click on Start Mining and hit Sign Up. They also have a mining app which is downloadable on your mobile devices, so just scan this QR code to download. This app will track real-time profits, aka monitor your daily rewards, plan status, and referrals in real time, and give you instant notifications for anything it pops up. And then it's also secured and absolutely lightweight on your device, fast, encrypted, and optimized for all devices without slowing you down. It is a crypto control center all in your pocket. If you want to get started today, they have several plans customized for you. So the first one is about $100 for contract price, and it only lasts for 1 day, which gives you about $1.5 in 24-hour revenue. For the $200 plans, then it's going to be after 2 days, and you earn about $6 per day, and 2 days, it will be $12. If you move up the plans, for example, the $100,000 Axion miner, then after 3 days, you earn about $25,000. That's 25% on your investment after only 3 days. Now, of course, I recommend doing your research before selecting any of these plans and just choose the one that's comfortable with your wallet. To get started on MagiCrypto, just click on the register link here and claim your $100 free bonus. Again, I'll leave the link to this article and to this referral code down in the description and in the comments so you can check it out. The second one is Bitdeer, a stable and eco-friendly mining partner. Bitdeer partnered with major hydropower mining facilities across North America. It's known for its long-term stability and clean energy operations. It's a great choice for conservative US investors seeking predictable returns and environmental responsibility. Just like MagiCrypto, Bitdeer also has a mobile app which you can download to monitor all of your mining capabilities. As you can see, Bitdeer has cloud mining facilities or data centers across the globe and provide miners with site selection, design, construction, maintenance, and one-stop technical support. Their self-developed mining farm management software, Miner Plus, which is the app that you can download, aims to build up a sustainable mining ecosystem with high efficiency and stability. If you want to get started on Bitdeer, they offer two plans at the moment: the Antminer S19 Pro plans for 180 days and for 30 days. Now, for the 30 days, it only costs you about $1, but if you click on check details, then there's also an electricity fee of about $1.6. So in total, about $2.6. However, they do not show you the ROI, which you can expect because they cannot calculate it at the moment. I think you need to log in order to see. So just click on log in here and create an account. Also the same for the 180 days. Now the hash rate fee is about $26, so a lot higher than the 30 days one. The electricity fee is about $8, so in total about $34. Again, there's no ROI, which we can find. Just do research, and if it comes out to be profitable, then yeah, think about choosing it. At number three, we have Genesis Mining, the old giant of cloud mining. So they have operated over 10 years in this field. They are ideal for those who value reliability and traceable, transparent earnings. With Genesis Mining, you don't just earn Bitcoin, but you can also mine other coins like Doge or Litecoin as well. As you can see right here, you can mine any cryptocurrency. You can also switch your mining power on the fly for all coins using their cloud mining solution and AI assistance. Their payment is actually daily, so your mining outputs will be added to your account on a daily and automatically. You can withdraw your profits to your external wallet anytime. There's no extra fees, no waiting time, but the minimum withdrawal is about $10. There's no maximum withdrawal as well, no withdrawal limit. Look at that. They currently support over 100 cryptos on Genesis Mining. And they're also partnered with big names like Kraken, Blockchain.com, Binance even, CoinDesk, OKX, Coinbase, Bitstamp, Cointelegraph, and more. If you want to get started with Genesis Mining, then they have several plans. For example, the gold plan is about $1,000. If you buy it, then you would get a $3,000 bonus, which earns you about $122 on a daily. 6 months of mining contract, auto renewable, and AI bot miner as well with the help of AI, and zero maintenance fees. Or you can, just go down and select the top partner, mining plans, which is the most profitable with $100,000. Then you would earn about $995 on a daily, about 3 years of mining duration. So just keep that in mind. They have auto reinvest available, AI bot miners as well, and $0 maintenance fees. With $100,000 invest today, with and about $995, then you would earn about more than $1 million after 3 years. That's an insane amount of ROI if you ask me. After 3 years, it's just unbelievable, right? But if you scroll down to the FAQ, then yeah, the questions often get asked a lot about the ROI and how they get so big. But they just answer it, simply. Crypto can be highly profitable, especially if you know what you're doing and are comfortable taking calculated risk. So when the founders, launched the platform, their vision was to use crowdfunding to build powerful data centers dedicated to Bitcoin mining. And these centers now generate significant revenue every day, and the profits are shared evenly among their members. So if you, invest in this plan for the top partners, then you're not only earning rewards in Bitcoin mining, but also a share of profit, in their data centers as well. And then in addition, they also reinvest stored profits through active trading, which helps generate even more daily returns for the platforms. So that is how they can offer, $1 million in, after 3 years, which is, $100,000 invested. And another question is, will you lose your money? That's an obvious question to ask, right? But apparently, your returns are fixed. So that's crazy that they can offer this kind of return. So if I have money, I'll definitely go with the top partner one. The fourth one in our list is ECOS, a government authorized mining with predictive analysis. Now, one thing that makes Echo stand out is their partnership with the Armenian government, which turned their zone into a hub for cutting edge technologies in cryptocurrency and blockchain. They offer a wide range of services from cloud and ASIC mining to investment portfolios, hosting, a digital wallet, and a cryptocurrency exchange. If you are an investor looking for legitimacy, then Ecos is your place to be. If you want to get started on Ecos, then they also have customized contracts that you can select starting from $100. So you can choose this range. For example, if you want, $1,800, then you can select it. And base power, it will show you everything, the money that you have to spend. Click on next, and you can expect your investment, and which is down here actually, your annual Bitcoin growth over the next 5 years. Moderate, optimistic, aggressive, conservative. All of the data, all of the numbers are in here, so you can expect, what numbers and what kind of returns with your investment. The fifth one on our list is BitFuFu, which is a high-performance mining platforms with daily payouts. BitFuFu is one of the most unique one in our list because they are listed on officially on Nasdaq with a ticker FUFU, so check that out. They have about more than 641,000 registered users, so almost close to a million, insanely high actually. They're holding about 2,000 Bitcoins at the moment, so definitely one of the biggest. They are proud to have a one-click mining for a low-cost and easy way to earn Bitcoins. And you can start mining in about 10 minutes, and there's going to be daily Bitcoin payouts sent directly to your wallet. If you want to start mining, for example, for 1 day or 3 days or 28 days, you can start actually from just $8. Besides the cloud mining services, you can also purchase your own miner. But again, if you want to purchase your own miner, then that's basically means then you're going to be a hardware, actual miner. And if you don't want to do that, then just stick to their cloud mining only. The sixth one on our list is NiceHash. Now, this is basically a freedom, marketplace for experienced miners. Definitely not for newbies. Here we go. They have different mining capabilities and sellers and buyers as well from different markets. For example, in the EU in the US of A, they have look at that different hash rate powers that you can purchase for different price. And just select the one that you like and go ahead and do it. You can also do cloud mining on NiceHash. Just click on easy mining and this should show up. Create an account and you can purchase different plans. For example, the $10 plans, $59 plans, $197 plans, etc. and etc. You can click on buy package and you're going to see all the details inside. This one specifically, they mine Litecoin and Dogecoin, so not Bitcoin specifically, which costs you about 0.01 Bitcoin, about $988 at current price. Now, after you purchase this one, a fixed hash rate order will be placed on the NiceHash marketplace for mining cryptocurrency. Each user has the possibility to stop mining at any time. Unspent funds will be refunded to their wallets. So if you purchase this plan, for example, and it comes out to be not profitable, you can actually stop and all the funds will be refunded to your wallet and you can just buy a new one. So yeah, definitely do your own research and see which plans might be profitable before you decide to ape in. The next one on our list is Hashing 24, which is consistent for long-term investors. Now, just click on how it works, and it's going to show you everything. You just register on Hashing 24. It takes about 2 minutes, do KYC, whatever. You choose the hash power that you desire. More power, obviously more cryptos. Then you pay for the contract, and then they send you the order to huge Bitfury and Water mining data centers located in Europe, US, Canada, Kazakhstan, Georgia, and Iceland. And then the mining process begins on high-end equipment with 100% uptime guarantee. That's crazy. Maintained by professional personnel 24/7. And then final step is that you receive your newly mined coins on a daily basis that are available for withdrawal that's on the same day. There is a mining calculator, so you can calculate the ROI, which is pretty fun. Now, if you want to trade it directly, then go to the trading room and click on trading, which is a powerful tool not only for trading Bitcoin mining contracts listed on the trade desk, but also for speculating and hodling. So do your research and just try it out. And the last one on our list is DeepHash, which is an AI-powered and green energy cloud mining registered in the UK. So they're registered under UK Companies House. DeepHash is recognized for its transparency, reliability, and steady performance. It uses AI technology to manage hash rate allocation and operates renewable energy data centers in Norway, Iceland, and Canada. For new users, you will receive a $100 free hash power bonus to start mining without upfront costs. The platform supports Bitcoin, Litecoin, Doge, and ETC, offering short term contracts from 1 to 6 days with daily returns between 1.5 to 8.3% paid automatically every 24 hours. Now, again, if you want to cloud mine with DeepHash, I'll leave the link to receive $100 for free and view the full contracts down below in the comments and in the description. So make sure to check that out. In conclusion, Bitcoin and Dogecoin cloud mining redefines passive income. In 2025, cloud mining is no longer just for tech experts. It's a mainstream path to secure, low-cost Bitcoin income. With AI-driven mining optimization and green energy infrastructure, investors can finally enjoy consistent crypto returns without risks or complexity. Among all of the platforms that I mentioned, MagiCrypto, Genesis Mining, and DeepHash definitely stand out, so make sure to check them out in the description. And thank you very much for watching today's video about Bitcoin mining, the top 8 platforms that we have selected. Make sure to like and subscribe to CryptoNinjas and comment down below which platforms you like. Make sure to do your own research before you decide to ape in as well, and I'll see you in our next video.